The Olive Grove is one of the 3 restaurants on 2 P&O cruise ships and can be found on Deck 8 of IONA and Deck 6 of ARVIA. However, you cannot eat there without booking first. Either head to the restaurant to book in person, or use the My Holiday webpage app to make a reservation once on board the ship. Other restaurants on board, like the Keel & Cow and Sindhu, do allow you to pre-book on the P&O website 14 days before you sail. And some may have a discount, so it's definitely worth checking out your options before you go. The Olive Grove serves a range of Mediterranean-inspired food and is very popular, so we'd recommend making your bookings on the first day of your cruise. Now, while the restaurant is free to eat at, some items will have prices next to them, which means they are an additional cost, like the French fries and baklava, which, if chosen, will be charged to your cabin and then your credit card at the end of the trip. You can check your bill on the TV in your cabin at any point during the trip or on the printed bill you'll receive the night before you leave the ship. Any mistakes on the bill can be corrected with guest services. The quality of the food at the Olive Grove was really good. It was one of our favourite restaurants to eat at during the Northern Europe City Escape and the Norwegian Fjords Adventure Cruise. You'll find pizza, pasta, seafood, and some really delicious desserts here. Our favourites being the creme brulee and tiramisu. We haven't had a single bad meal at the Olive Grove, and everything we've ordered has been very good. We would eat here every day if we could, so if you're taking a trip on either IONA or ARVIA, we'd highly recommend the Olive Grove for at least one meal on your trip. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment if you've got any questions and subscribe if you want to see more from us.